Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the third problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 305, which is check if there is a valid partition for the array. So we are given an array of length n, and we have to divide the array into some subarrays, and the subarrays should satisfy one of these three conditions at least. So the first condition is that the subarray consists of exactly two elements. So 2 comma 2 is good, two equal elements or three equal elements. So 4 comma 4 comma 4 is good, or three consecutive increasing elements. So that it could be 1 2 3, or it could be I plus 1 and I plus 2. So let's take the first case, 4 4 4 5 6. So 4 4 4 5 6 is good because we can split the array into two halves. One is 4 comma 4 comma 4, and another one is 5 comma 6. The first array satisfies the second condition, and the second array satisfies the, sorry, 4 4 comma 4 5 6. So the first subarray satisfies the first condition where the two elements are equal, and the second subarray satisfies the third condition where length of the subarray is 3 and the elements are increasing. So this is the first case, and the second case is 1 1 1 2. Second test case is 1 1 1 2. So let's take this. So answer for this is yes. Let's take the second case. This is 1 1 1 2. So there is no way to split the array. You can think that the way to split this array is 1 1 comma 1 2, but the second subarray does not satisfy any condition because its length is 2. Okay, so the answer for this will be false. The first one is true and the second one is false. So let's check how we can solve this problem. So how I have solved this problem is doing kind of DP, but this DP is nothing too complicated. You can do it in like iterative DP approach. So my DPI0 signifies that if there is a subarray ending at index I satisfying the first condition. So satisfying the first condition, what is the first condition? The first condition is that the length of the subarray is 2 and two elements of the subarray are equal. So first condition. And what is DPI1? DPI1 signifies the same thing. So let's change the color. So DPI1 signifies the same thing. Let's copy it and change the color also. There is subarray ending at index I satisfies the second condition of the third condition. So DPI1 just signifies that the length of the subarray is 3 and it satisfies the second condition or third condition. So for this DPI0 and DPI1, we are assuming that the subarray in like the partition up to index I is possible. So what will be the value of DPI0? So DPI0 depends on DPI minus 2 because we are taking DPI minus 2, DPI minus 2, and SI is equal to SI minus 1. Why? Let me tell you. So what is DPI minus 2? DPI minus 2 is let's say DPI is, let me signify DPI by DPI minus 1 I0 or DPI1. So let me explain why I am doing this. So DPI minus 2 means that the partition up to index I minus 2 is possible, and we are taking I minus 1 and I. So DPI0 signifies that the current index like I and I minus 1 is a subarray, and the partition up to DPI minus up to index I is possible. So it could be like let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So dp4 is dp4 will be equals to dp2, or so this is not the case. Let's say 1 2 3 4 4 4 6. Okay. Let's say 1 2 3 4 4. So dp5 will be dp3 or a of I, a of 4 equals to a of 5. So this will be, and what will be dp3? Let's calculate dp3 also. dp3 will be nothing but uh, let's do dpi1 first. So dpi1 will be, there will be two conditions. So dpi1 will be dpi minus 3, and there could be two conditions satisfied. One is si is equals to si minus 1 is equals to si minus 2. This satisfies the second condition. Or si minus si is equals to si minus 1 minus 1 is equals to si minus 2 minus 2. This is the condition. So here let me expand it a bit further. Yeah, so this is the dpi1. So for dpi equals to dpi0 and dpi1. So what will be the value of dp3? Dp3 value will be 1, because dp3 will be nothing but dp of I minus 3. So dp3 will be dp of 0, and we are setting dp of 0 at 1 first. So dp of 0 is equals to 1. So dp of 3 will be dp of 0, and this is the first condition will be satisfied. A of 0 sorry, a of 1 is equals to a of 2 is equals to a of, so that's why dp of 3 is equals to 1. So dp of 5 is nothing but dp of 3, or a4 equals to a5. So dp of 5 will be also 1. Okay, so I hope you got my explanation. Now if you still have any doubt, I will explain this in my code. So here I am storing the value n is equals to length of the array a, and here dp is a 2 n into 2 size of array. So dp is n into 2, the size of the dp is n into 2. So here get of I will just give us the value of dpi0 or dpi1, or if I less than 0 I am just returning 1. So you can set it dp minus 1 is equals to 1 also. So for every value of index I, if we are checking if I minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, we are doing dp I0 equal to ai of minus 1 is equals to ai or not, the first condition, and get of I minus 2. And if I minus 2 greater than equals to 0, we are checking if ai minus 1 is equals to ai, and ai is equals to this total parenthesis will signify the second condition, and this parenthesis will signify the third condition. So this either the second condition is met or the third condition is met, and we are checking the gate of I minus 3, so dp I minus 3, and at the end we are returning the value of the last index, the dp of n minus 1. So so geta is, signifies actually dp of I. Dp of I just signifies dp I0 or dp of I1. I hope you got my explanation. If you still have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.